boys, just here is a quick video on updates on my welding, updates on the Mini. We came across a little issue with wiring and we got it out on the road and it's driving good now. So yeah, enjoy this little video. It's only a short 3 or 4 minute video, just as updates for the Mini and what's going on. It's early o'clock, just dropped the kiddo off the secondary school and we took the Mini today to go to college. So yeah, let's go.
A few moments later.
The mini bus, white top, split the guinea on. Silly Billy Kinney Von. We saw Goodman in the cine bun. Yeah, it's L Avon. Full bangers rock napalm. Boy saucy balls in that century. You stay away from. Kick me feet up on the chair.
It was fun and all, but driving the Mini and it's still spluttery and then cut out on me and the fuel pump wouldn't come on and I started messing with wires down here and we have a few broken wires and a few messy wires that I want to fix because I did move the ECU and the car ran and then I let go and it cut out, so there might be something touching here. So I'm going to go through each plug, see all these bits of tape, no bueno. So open wires, not good. So let's get this all fixed. Now all wires gone through. Any wires that I did find broken, I just snipped and joined them together with this and taped them up and then loom taped them. So hopefully that's the issue sorted. So let's get this all back together in the ECU and give it a start. Okay, fuel pump is working. She's staying running, so yeah, moving the ECU, no hassle, sounds good, happy days. Nothing like a bit of wiring on a Friday.
How bollocks should it be? Plop 'em in the bin, but I wouldn't give the kill all these Elvis talking shit to me. Jab, cross little knee. Flawless victory. They flex on them, we're the best on them. My breast talking cowboy ended.
Time to give this poor car a wash.
Them go and get yourself some help. Cause fucking hell, you ain't coming close. Get your stuff and go when the final boss, you don't have a hope. Who's the best is me? Who's fresh up for the breakfast? Me. Who's that young next trying to message me? Check a text, it's me.
So yeah, welding's going good, the Mini is going good, a few issues with the wiring, gave it a quick scrub and we brought it out today, so that's going to be in the next video. You'll see the Mini out with the 300ZX and my brother's MR2. So yeah, peace out, be dedicated, thanks for watching, subscribe, like, comment, peace out.
Flip that, the coin gets tossed, one lap, the joint gets launched. On the final bus, you've written to write 'em off. Flip that, the coin gets tossed, one lap, the joint gets launched. On the final bus, you've written to write 'em off. Written to write 'em off. On the final bus. That line gets crossed. You don't wanna see that happen. See me snapping. Watch your boy freeze, you can see he lagging. You be in your fields when you see my. You be in your fields when you see my walk. When you see me strutting the place like a